how to buy Calico or Calico coin token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is referral codes down description. You can get free money, rewards, or crypto with the best referral code. Simply just go below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REX account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on Dick Screener. This token created 23 hours ago, and it increased by 8,000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here are locked by 99%. That's good. That's made your investment in the safe place. Now, to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Solar network. Now, open your function wallet for that, or any wallet that you use. Now, I will just log into my wallet. So after that, click on swap here and make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. So after that, click here and paste the token address. So this is our token, click on it. And now here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see, as you can see, how much you receive the token. So after that, select provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here and click on swap. Now you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face any issue, go back to this page and switch the slip patch from here or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slip patch. And after that, you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy Calico token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.